This delicious lamb rump steaks with tomato and feta salad is perfect for sharing. Start with the tasty rub for the steak, which is really easy. Place the paprika, half the oil and half the garlic in a small bowl and season with pepper, then stir to combine. Place the lamb on a tray and rub the paprika mixture all over the lamb to coat. Heat a chargrill on medium-high. Cook the lamb for 3 to 4 minutes each side for medium, or until the lamb is cooked just how you like it. Transfer the lamb to a clean tray, cover with foil and set aside to rest for 5 minutes. While the lamb is resting, place the tomato, onion and feta in a large bowl. Place the lemon juice, mustard, the remaining oil and the remaining garlic in a bowl. Stir to combine, then drizzle over the salad in the bowl. Toss gently to combine. Arrange the lamb and salad on a serving platter. Finish with some basil and serve with some slices of sourdough. Deliciously fresh, this zesty tomato and feta salad pairs perfectly with the tender lamb.